Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this vlog, we are going to feature Burger King franchise business package ideas. Founded in 1954, Burger King is a global quick-service restaurant chain with over 13,000 locations in 97 countries that serves more than 11 million people daily. The original home of the Whopper. Their commitment to premium ingredients, signatured flame-broiled taste, iconic sandwiches, and recipes prepared your way. Fast and friendly service and dining experiences in a welcoming environment is what has defined their brand for more than 70 years. Globally today, Burger King is owned by 3G Capital, a global multi-million-dollar investment firm and is privately held company. Locally in the Philippines, Burger King is a brand that is carried by Jollibee Foods Corporation, the country's largest restaurant company. Burger King products. When the predecessor of international fast food restaurant chain Burger King first opened in 1953, its menu predominantly consisted of hamburgers, French fries, soft drinks, milkshakes, and desserts. After being acquired by its Miami, Florida franchisees and renamed in 1954, Burger King began expanding its menu by adding the Whopper. The company did not add another permanent hamburger to its menu until the introduction of the Big King sandwich in 1996. The company began experimenting with premium hamburgers made from higher quality ingredients in 1978 with the introduction of its specialty sandwich product line. It was not until 2002 when the company began to work on a premium burger in earnest. On the value side, Burger King first started offering sliders to its menu in the mid-1980s and offered them off and on for the next 20 years. Aside from the main product line of burgers, Burger King also offers chicken and fish as alternatives. The sides includes fries, nuggets, onion rings, and hash browns. Burger King also has a number of salads such as Morning Star Veggie Salad and Chicken Caesar Salad. The beverages include sodas, smoothies, iced teas, juice, milk, water, coffee, and fraps. Burger King's desserts and sweets includes Dutch apple pie, Oreo shake, and caramel sundae. In addition, the company bundles its products as value meals and kiddie meals. Why Burger King? Join one of the world's leading and most loved restaurant brands. Brand strength. They are one of the largest QSR chains in the world and continue to grow across the US and international markets. Quality food and beverages. They continue to drive product excellence through best-in-class food and beverage quality along with taste, innovation, and value offerings. Optimized operations coupled with world-class support. Nearly 6 decades of franchising experience and expertise goes into supporting their franchisees. Superior guest experience through technology. They put their trust first. This means a constant focus to make choosing Burger King easier and more convenient as expectations evolve. Franchisee engagement. They're committed to driving profitability and growth for the brand, but know they can only do so by listening to and collaborating with their franchisees. Why own a franchise? Reasons to join the Burger King family. With various franchise opportunities available, they will help you make the right decisions so you can hit the ground running and grow your business quickly and easily. As they continue to expand the Burger King brand nationally, they remain competitive by offering franchising opportunities through multi-unit acquisitions and new restaurant development. They empower you with first-class knowledge and resources, further strengthened by the support of Restaurant Brands International. Receive training and gain access to know how across all aspects of the business. Built-in support for ongoing operations. Multiple funding sources readily available. Over 7,000 restaurants across the US with significant opportunities for growth. Support of restaurant brands international. For the Burger King qualification criteria. Commitment. You are looking for an investment opportunity with a growing brand. Area of results focused. Self-interest in running your own business. Experience. You have previous restaurant experience, preferably QSR Burger, with a proven track record of exceptional guest service. You have experience setting up or currently have infrastructure and resources to run a successful business. Burger King franchise process. Steps on how to franchise Burger King in the Philippines. Number 1. PreQualification Process. An interested candidate is required to complete the online pre-qualification questionnaire. If you pass, an email is sent to you that you may call a franchising representative. The franchising representative then conducts a pre-candidate interview. If you pass, an application package is sent through email and you are required to submit the following documents: completed franchise application and personal financial statement. CPA opinion letter to validate PFS. Review franchise disclosure document and submit signed receipt. Updated resume and $250 application fee. Below are the minimum financial requirements and other fees. You should have a net worth of $1 million. Should have a liquid assets of at least $500,000 US dollars. The royalty fee is 4.5% of gross sales. For the franchisee fee, it is worth $50,000 US dollars and it is due before the restaurant opens for business. Number 2. Franchising interview. This is validating and reviewing documents you submitted and to further assess if this is a good match for you and Burger King. This is also to assess business experiences and to discuss acquisition opportunities that are available in selected markets. Number 3. Transaction selection. This is the time to identify appropriate acquisition opportunities based on availability. Number 4. Operations interview. This is where the candidate is interviewed by the respective division vice president and that the candidate submits business plans and determines training requirements. Number 5. Transaction approval. This is where the capitalization plan is discussed and review of financial conditions. And lastly, number 6. Final approval. This is where you start business. The approved franchisee should result in well-capitalized, growth-oriented buyer groups to optimize and strengthen the markets they enter. Selecting the perfect site. The key steps to a perfect site. Identifying the market. Analyze big picture factors like population growth, employment rates, real estate activity, and consumer spending. Identifying trade areas, positive performance estimates, customer mix and concentration, acceptable competition and helpful to co-tenants, high traffic counts. Identifying the optimal site using qualitative data, looking for quality of site and visibility, parking availability and access to mass transit space for a drive-through lane. For the frequently asked questions. Still have questions about the opportunities at Burger King? Question number 1. How do I begin the Burger King franchise application process? Answer. An applicant can enter the Burger King system in 2 ways. Number 1. An operator or entity can acquire one or more existing Burger King restaurants from a selling franchisee. Second, an operator can enter the system through the development of new restaurants. Someone may express interest by providing contact information by clicking on the Apply Now button on their website. Question number 2. Do I need previous restaurant experience to become a Burger King franchisee? Answer: Burger King strongly prefers prospective franchisees with a QSR background, a proven track record of operational excellence, and administrative, financial development capabilities to run QSR restaurants already in place. Question number 3. Are single and multi-unit opportunities available? Answer: Their focus is to recruit prospective franchisees who are interested in pursuing multi-unit opportunities through the acquisition of existing restaurants or the development of new restaurants. However, there are cases where existing franchise groups need an operating partner, in which case an applicant can submit an application and note they're interested in working as a head of operations. Question number 4. What is the minimum financial requirement to enter the Burger King system? Answer: The minimum financial requirements to become a new franchisee is $500,000 in liquid assets and a total net worth of at least $1 million. Note: there are other deal-specific financial requirements which must be met. Question number 5. What are the initial franchise fees and costs? Answer: Burger King charges a flat franchise fee of $50,000 for a franchise agreement with a term of 20 years. Prospective franchisees also pay an initial new entity application fee of $5,000 to help with the cost of processing the application. There is also a $280 background check fee, as well as varying application costs for managing owner, managing director, and other application administrative requirements. These fees do not include any of the initial costs typically associated with starting a restaurant. Question number 6. What are the royalty fees associated with owning Burger King restaurants? Answer: Franchisees are required to pay a royalty fee of 4.5% of their sales per restaurant to Burger King. Question number 7. What is the fee for advertising? Answer: Franchisees are required to contribute 4% of their sales per restaurant to the Burger King Advertising Fund. For the Burger King contact details. For more information about Burger King Philippines, you may contact Jollibee Foods Corporation at www.jollibee.com.ph or follow them on their Facebook account, Burger King PH. You can send them an email at feedback@burgerking.com.ph. You can also visit their social media accounts in YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram with the account name Burger King PH. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Burger King today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.